How to change the currency on Shein application. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you have logged into the Shein but have another currency and would like to change it, the steps are simple. To get started with, make sure you're logged in with the latest version of the Shein application. Tap open it, and once that is done, log in. After that, you have to click on accounts or me section, which is on the bottom right. Then click on the settings or the gear icon, which is on the top right, and it will take you to another page. From there, you will see currency option. Tap on it. Now, just click on the currency that you want to switch back to. Now, go back to your home page and you'll notice the currency has been already changed. So, this is how simply you can change currency on the Shein application. So, this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.